Hello my dear friends, welcome to Belgrade on a rainy day, 30th of December 2020. Yeah, sometimes it rains, rain, go rain. Not the, under these circumstances, the day before New Year's Eve, rain, definitely not the best timing to be in the traffic in Belgrade, driving the streets. The highway leading to Belgrade was fully packed. This street, Boulevard Oslobođenja, now actually passing next to Karađorđev Park, with the Temple of Saint Sava and National Library in it. Not so bad. On the left hand side we have the ugly looking building of Telekom Serbia, and there are also some other governmental services. Nearby is also the Russian embassy. Driving direction Slavia Square, the roundabout at Slavia. Now I see that also it's a bit packed here, but not as dramatic as I would have expected. We see that the fountain on Slavia Wasserspring works, and there are no lights, however there is water in the fountain. Long time ago I first found out about the expression Wasserlichtspiel in German, which means water and light play. This was there is a type of a fountain in Hamburg, in a small park next to the fair building, actually next to the television tower, close to the television tower. But also the fair, Messehallen are there. And every Thursday, if I'm not mistaken, it was a long time ago really, or over 20 years ago, every Thursday something like 8 o'clock in the evening or something like, there was this magnificent, I don't know how long did it last actually, maybe half an hour or something. And then there were people practically gathering there, students mostly, and also some elderly people, but us students back then, it was a fantastic, also very romantic thing to do. You also could have, there were people bringing blankets and putting them on the grass, and then enjoying also some wine, and looking at this show of water and light and music, of course. I don't know, because Wasserlichtspiel, Spiel is also play, so there obviously there was music. Without music it wouldn't have been so fantastic. I'm now driving the direction main railway station. Currently, I believe the railway museum. This all happened within last year. So, and there are also some military and some governmental buildings in this street. I have just passed next to important ministries. But here is the government of Serbia. The buildings left from us, the right from us. The left is the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Have just crossed the Kneza Miloša Street, And here is the government of Republic of Serbia. Also one medical institution, Saint Sava Hospital. And you see the famous monument of Stefan Nemanja. But yeah, actually I can go that way. Let's see it from up close. They have now changed it. Now it's the first time that I'm passing this street after the completion. Well, it seems that the completion is not yet fully complete. I mean, fully implemented. This was quite different, in the past. Let me also take a look at the monument. Whoa, I can say it is impressive. Now, how nice is it? Well, it's a question mark, of course, but made a wrong turn. Cannot make a turn here, no. Okay, I will now have to circle a bit. Anyhow, left from us we saw some buildings belonging to the Belgrade waterfront. I see that the bus station will also get dismantled, I believe. Left from us is the bus station, and just behind the construction site of the Belgrade waterfront. Here in front of us there is one so-called old tram bridge crossing Sava River, but in front of us the Faculty of Economy, and this is the gathering place also of here is also not possible. Okay, I'll have to make a big circle. Not sure that they did it the right way, but okay. Yeah, see that some constructions are progressing. So this is the parking, and just behind the parking, on our right, just behind the parking is the Faculty of Economy, diagonally I would say. And in front of us, left from us, is the small park which during last years is known for practically gathering place of the migrants, essentially from Syria, Afghanistan, and well, all other places affected by either war or poverty. It's not the case anymore, and this is also the place where buses are coming. Buses coming to Belgrade from other city, intercity buses are practically landing, so to say, and the passengers are then disembarking. Zagrebačka Street, here used to be a student hostel in the past, not anymore, and now we'll be entering Karađorđeva. So now I went around the Faculty of Economy in essence. I'm mentioning so much Faculty of Economy because this is my faculty. The faculty that I finished. Basic and master's, magisterium studies, how to say. And now I see this one house that looks ethno style still remains. Probably there are some plans for the reconstruction of this, especially this Kamenička Street, which is one of the ugliest streets in Belgrade, leading up to Zeleni Venac market. Now we see some migrants. They are now also gathering here, the so-called Picin Park. The park stop sign. Wow. And now I have to already start looking at the address where I am supposed. But the problem with Belgrade, it's only one of the problems, is that there are no signs. No numbers very few numbers, I mean house street numbers, and really, I mean, even for the local people it's very difficult, and I cannot even imagine how about the foreigners. Probably I'll need to land somewhere here. Yeah, this is the location, just need to find a parking spot. Okay, that much for now. In the distance we can hear the drums, but we can also see the construction site of the Belgrade waterfront, and the yellow building is the ex-building of the railway station Belgrade. Okay, bye for now.